Last video we have seen how to bind a data to a collection view. Today we are going to learn once we'll tap the row, it will trigger the command and it will navigate to the next details view. Okay, so either in the row we can have a small icon button, or as a whole row we can tap it and we can navigate to the next screen. So for that, let me add a view very quickly. Details view. Okay, details view is created. Details view. Okay, also let me create a view model for that. Okay, we have to inherit this from base view model. Okay, so now this I'm going to map with the details base. How to map view and view model, it's already I have shown in my another video. You can go through that video. I'll put the link on the description. Okay, okay, and we have to map this here. Okay, details view and respective view model. Fine, that's all. We have mapped it. Now we'll be going to bind to the collection view. See here, this is a row. Either we can add the gesture for this stack layout, so that once we'll tap that row anywhere, it will fire the event, or we can add button over here as well. Okay, so right now I am going to take the row command. Okay, command, we are going to bind detail command. Okay, we also want to pass the parameter the data. Okay, now what happened is collection views item source is the data list. Okay, so let me go to the view model over here. Okay, and also let me add the command. Okay, new command. So the bind it this model, so same type I'm taking. Okay, bj. Okay, and I'm just creating this method. This method has been created. Okay, I'll just put a breakpoint here. So now what happened is this command is in that view model, and data list is binded over the collection view. So that collection view binding context is not the parent view model, it will be the this one. So once we'll bind like this, we will not get the command. Okay, so it will try to search and find the command inside this list, and the object is test data model. So inside this it will find any command is there or not. So to trigger this, what we have to take, the parent reference. Okay, so we have, this is the, either we can give a name for this main control, or we can give a name for the content phase. Anyone is fine. So PSL. Okay, so now this we need to put the reference over here. So let's start giving the reference. Source, we have to give in this way, source x reference, and what's the name we have given. Okay, so this one, that's all over here, and go to view model. This should be public, otherwise it will not bind. Okay, we can give a breakpoint over here. Let's run the application and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, now I'm tapping the item 5, so it's triggered here. You can see the object came item 5. Okay, so pass it. If I'm tapping item 2, let's see how it's coming. Yeah, so item 2 came over here. Add the navigation part. So let's start the navigation part. We are going the shell navigation over here. So what we'll do is shell.current. So this is the navigation we have to use. Go to async, and for shell navigation we have to add the root here. So what we'll do is we are declaring the shell, and then we are declaring the current item, and then we have to register the root. Okay, so the root, what all screen we want to navigate, we have to register over here. So we want to go to the details view. So we have added here, and then assign to the main page, and then come back here. Same thing, the name of the root we have to use here, type of details view dot name. If you want to animate, you can animate it. Okay, so that's all, and let's see how it works. Okay, so just start this. So now let's see, it's going to the details view page. Now we can add the design over here. Okay, for that we need to pass the object. For that, what we have to do is go to this space view model. We have to use this iQuery attributes, which will pass the parameter when we are navigating. Okay, we'll make it as override Okay, sorry. What it's saying, public, that's all. Now what we'll do is this details view model, we have to collect the object whatever we are passing it here. Okay, so now we'll just add it here. Okay, new dictionary. Okay, okay, and then we'll pass this query over here and we can collect over there. Now we have to give a name, key will give it, item, and then we'll passing the obj. Okay, okay, that's all. Now with this item name we have to put it over here. So the query, okay, try get value. Okay, what is the key we have used there, same thing, and then out obj, right, obj. Okay, that's all. Now we can just give the model name, we can cast it over here. Obj, yes, and that's all. Okay, and then same data you can bind over here. Okay, so we'll bind something, level text, bind name, this could be item name. Okay, okay, then public string, and then the same thing, return, we have to set it. You can check my older video how to do this. Okay, now assign the name test model dot name. That's all. Now let's rerun the application. We'll see over here. Let me give the breakpoint. Okay, I am tapping the item 6. Okay, now let's see. see it's passed the object item 6 and assign the name. Okay, item 6. You can check the screen, see item 6 is came. Now I am tapping the item 10 came. So I'm tapping the item 12, so item 12 came. So this is how you will pass the object through the cell navigation, and that's how we can collect the object over here. You have to use apply query attributes. For that we need to apply the I query attributable interface, and then easily we can pass the object on the navigation. But that's all. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We'll come up with another new video.